Hey, boys and girls, Mrs. Inman here. And today in social studies, the region we are visiting is the Southwest. We're going to be talking about the American Indians in the Southwest. Now, you can either go and read on your own the two slides for the Southwest, or you can go to the link and listen to me read it to you aloud, or you can do both. It's totally up to you. All right, now, in your duty logbook, looks the same as the last two regions. You have your top three rows. You're going to see those right away in your reading. Describing the land and weather, tribes, plants and wildlife. And then later on in your reading, you are going to come across the bottom three, just like before: housing materials, artifacts, clothing, and accessories. All right. So let's take a look here in that first paragraph. It's talking about location, but then you go down and it says there are mountains and mesas, canyons and deserts. To me, that sounds like it's describing the land. All right, and then it goes into talking about the weather. Now, you can see that you're seeing little rainfall, extreme temperatures, hot nights, hot days, cold nights. All of that you're going to find right here. I want you to do some of the work too, so I don't want to give it all away. All right, and then it's talking about the tribes in that next paragraph. So, looks like there are two tribes that you will be able to write down. And then it talks about the crops, which plants, that could be a plant, some of the plants, wildlife. I didn't see anything about wildlife. Did you? But it does talk about what they grew and the plants that they were able to grow there. Because if you've ever been to the Southwest, stuff is hard to grow. Okay, so now it's talking about how the geography affected how people lived there. So when you read through this, you are going to learn about, it's called adobe. And it's talking about their housing materials. Okay, so you'll be able to read through this, and it talks about cliff dwellings. If you've ever been to the Southwest, maybe you've seen these cliff dwellings, because I know that they still exist in some places there. I have not personally seen them, but maybe some of you have. All right, so, and this word right here, if you listen to me read the story aloud, but I'll tell you now, it's called Pueblos. So let's take a look at the next slide. All right, so it's talking about the clothing that they wear. Now, boys and girls, you're probably going, yeah, Mrs. Inman, isn't that one of our spots on our chart we have to fill out? Yes, clothing and its accessories, artifacts. This one might be a little harder to find. You just have to look, because it doesn't go specifically in order, but it is talking about clothing. And down here, it's talking about some other things that might fit in that chart under artifacts. So, with that being said, you should be able to fill this out very easily. And I hope you're enjoying learning about these different tribes as much as I am, and the places that they are living in, the regions around the country. So, have a wonderful day. I may see you tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. Or you'll get a surprise visitor, Mr. Plude. You'll have him back. Okay? Good luck. Have fun. And do your best.